In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Temu tracking number fast. Whether you've made a purchase and you're eagerly awaiting its arrival or you simply want to stay updated on your package's journey, finding your tracking number is essential. So let's get started on how to navigate the Temu website to find this crucial piece of information. First, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser and head over to temu.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In Register button. It should be prominently displayed for easy access. This step is crucial because you need to be signed into your account to view your orders and their details. If you already have an account, simply log in using your email and password. If not, this is where you'll need to register a new account using your details. Now that you're signed in, let's navigate towards your user profile. Look for the option labeled You. This is generally located at the top corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to your personal profile section where you can manage your account settings and, most importantly, access your order history. Once you're on your profile page, find and click on Your Orders. This button is your gateway to viewing all your past and present purchases. It will display a list of all orders you've placed with Temu, providing you with options to manage and track them. In this list of orders, you'll need to identify the specific order you wish to track. You'll see an overview of each order, including dates and brief descriptions, which can be helpful in making sure you select the correct one. Once you've identified the order you want to track, simply tap on it. This will open up the order details where you'll find all pertinent information, including the tracking number. The tracking number is typically listed clearly along with shipping details, making it easy to find and copy. From here, you can use this number on the shipping carrier's website to track your package in real time. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can quickly and efficiently find the tracking number for any of your Temu orders. Once you have your tracking number, you can rest easy knowing you can stay updated on your package's journey from the warehouse right to your doorstep. It's a simple process that can save you a lot of time and keep you informed. Thank you for watching and happy tracking!